Today we're going to install some aftermarket tow mirrors on this 2013 Ram 1500. This is going to be for the passenger side. I already have the driver's side mounted already and installed. Now we're doing the passenger side. They do a pretty good job in sending you over this contraption here, bagged and then covered, then with these little safety tabs that you have to remove as well. Nice work. No, seriously. And so now what we do is go ahead and slide the cables right through that hole from the other side, and we'll slide the cables right in through there. And there's a clip right there that's going to go right into that slot right there. So let's go ahead, or that one right there, yeah, that one right there. So let's push in the wires and slide into place, and then clip it down. What I like to do is have the window down so I'm able to pull on these wires to kind of help me out. Next, we're going to go ahead and secure it down. They provided the nuts for it as well, nice little gold ones. So we'll start these off. These will be 10 mil to secure down, and there is a total of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And like I said, it's going to be a 10 mil to secure these down. Not too tight, it is plastic. Just want to make sure it's nice and in there correctly. It ain't going anywhere. Next, we're going to go ahead and plug in these pigtails. The black one's going to go first. Oh, right in here. I thought it was. Black one goes at the bottom. So this one will be right in here. Huh. Son of a gun. Well, that didn't go as planned. I know for facts the black one goes there because that's where I removed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this little lip that it has right there. And I'm just going to cut it with some wire clippers. I'm not sure those are called dikes. But there, plugs in now. Let's give it a try. Alright, and there you have it. You can see it moving there. Perfect. So it's working. Sometimes aftermarket just doesn't fit. You have to customize it. That's my excuse for that. Alright, and there you have it. And that is how you install the aftermarket mirror, or the tow mirror, on this 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It did come with this wire here. It is supposed to have some lights here and a light down there, but I don't think this truck is compatible with it. It doesn't work. I tried connecting this to ground and positive. Nothing. Hazards are going. It should be strobing. It's not. That's what you get when it's aftermarket. But other than that, that shall be it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.